It's a beautiful morning today. Is there anything for us to harvest? Let's see. Okay, we're over here on our strawberry tower. Let's see. Let's come on down here. Yes, I see strawberries. Let's get them. Oh, they look great. Okay, okay, let's come up here and see. Okay, let's get this one. It's all the way back here hiding. And I'm going to let most of them continue to grow. Ooh, here are two lovely ones. Look at these here. Just lovely. Let's get them. Okay. Moving over to the next strawberry tower. Let's see. Oh, this is a lovely one right here. All right. The rest of them will continue to grow. Now I'm going to move over to my herb tower. And let's get all of this bok choy. All right. Now let's move over here and get some of this red romaine lettuce. And let's see what else we have here that we can get. Okay, I'm going to get this. Is another lettuce. Okay. In August of 2025, we planted garlic straight from the grocery store into this grow bag. We neglected it for a while, so today we are just going to turn over the grow bag and see if we have any garlic. Okay, we do have a couple of nice looking heads of garlic bulbs, so it did work. And now we are going to cure the garlic for 2 weeks. We're going to place it on some cardboard in our garage and let it cure. Wow, very good harvest of garlic. Here is today's harvest of strawberries, bok choy, red and green romaine lettuce, and garlic. Thank you for watching Small Garden Big Harvest. Have a great day and see you next time. Bye.